Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Side Hustle Bros. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can build a brand on TikTok and then monetize it in order to bring you some form of income. Now without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Side Hustle Bros. Great, now let's get into the steps. Step 1, you need to identify your audience. Okay, now I have a clear example here of a channel, not a channel but more of a TikTok page that identifies its audience. So let's say doctor, he's going to be doing things to do with medicine. Okay, step number 2, you need to leverage trends. When they speak of leveraging trends, they mean that use it until you can't use it anymore. You take advantage of trends in order to grow and build your brand. For example, on YouTube, when it had the dry ice challenge as well as the cinnamon challenge, everyone was doing it.
Middle Eastern recipes containing meats, fruits, and, oh boy, spices. Right here, I'm using cloves. Of course, most people associate mince pie with Christmas, but I'll be honest.
I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and make sure to turn on post notifications. Without any further ado, let's get back into today's video. Number 3, you need to educate your followers. Now in the medical niche, it'll be easier for you to educate your followers. Like for example, with the COVID-19 and all that is going on with this pandemic, you can educate your followers on that topic, for example. Number 4, you need to use hashtags, which is very important because without hashtags, your videos probably won't be found most likely. And I'll be showing you all of this via a video. An example, a clear example. Number 5, you need to cross-promote your videos. When they speak of cross-promoting, you don't just promote it on TikTok, you promote it on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, all the social media platforms. Number 6, you need to post the right time. I think this is very straightforward and it's common sense because you won't post at times when you know persons aren't awake, but you need to post times when you know persons are active, and mostly on TikTok. Okay, and number 7, you need to create and participate in challenges. For example, as I said before, the dry ice challenge, the cinnamon challenge.
I'll be honest, I'm not afraid of a summer mince pie. I remember the first time I had mince pie. Our neighbor, Mrs. Morin, introduced it to me one afternoon. I had house sat for her while she was visiting her aunt in Vernon, and she wanted to thank me.
Number 8, you need to engage with other TikTok creators. I think this is very straightforward. Now, let's go ahead and look at the example when it comes to finding your niche to promote something. Okay, after you've grown, let's say you've grown in the doctor's niche, what would happen? Most likely a brand would reach out to Dr. Mike, and when the brand reaches out to Dr. Mike, they would most likely pay Dr. Mike to promote a specific product for them or something like that, or ask him to review it in order to build or bring persons to purchase their product. Let's go, for example, Mucinex. Okay, when I searched up Mucinex videos, I then used the hashtag Mucinex and I found this video. You see here, this TikTok creator, Alyssa, has made a funny video on Mucinex. Okay, now when you go to Alyssa's channel, you see she has 120,000 followers on TikTok with over 3.6 million likes. So most likely Mucinex reached out to her. I'm using her as an example. Mucinex most likely reached out to her and asked her, you know what, Alyssa, if you could make a funny video on Mucinex, we will pay you X amount of dollars in order to make that video. Because when we look here, I don't know how many views she probably got on this because it doesn't really say, but she got some views on this video, and it most likely drove some sort of traffic to Mucinex website, meaning that, or it even generated sales, because person gonna say, okay, when I'm congested, I need some Mucinex in order to clear up my nostrils and all these things. So there is a clear example on how you can be able to use TikTok in order to build your brand slash a following. Now this is in the last video I'm going to make on this, but I'm going to make this a series. I'm going to make this a series on how you can grow a TikTok channel or a TikTok page in order to earn extra income. Now I'm going to use this Dr. Niche, or now I've just used this Dr. Niche in this video, but in the next video what I'm going to do, I'm going to use something that is more common. I'm going to use something that is more common, for example, exercise. I'm going to use an exercise video in order to, or an exercise page moreover, to do an illustration slash demonstration. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on, and if you have any questions concerning this, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below and I will get back to it. As well as if you're looking for ways to earn money online, make sure to click that link in the description. It shows you detailed information on how you can make and earn extra income online. So guys, without any further ado, I won't keep you anymore, but look at the rest of the videos, definitely check them out, and I will see you in the next video. Side Hustle Bros signing out.